Okay, so in the last chapter we talked about electricity, what it is, resistors and everything about a circuit. Now in this chapter we're going to talk about magnetic effects of electric current. So whenever a charge moves, it creates magnetic field around it. And in this chapter we're going to learn about that. Now, what is a field? So electric field, if you remember, there was a positive charge particle and it's going to apply force on another positive charge particle, right? So wherever it's going to apply force is the area of influence, right? And that was denoted by an electric field. Similarly, magnetic field, if there is force applied on a magnetic pole, like if I bring in two magnets here and this is the north pole of a magnet, it will apply force on both north pole and south pole, right? On north pole it will apply a repulsive force, and in south pole it will apply an attractive force. So it is applying force, which means there is field around it, an area of influence where it can apply force. So that is called magnetic field, right? Magnetic field lines will tell us in which direction the force is being applied, and if the magnetic field lines are closer to each other, which would mean that there's more force which can be applied. Think of it as ropes, right? So if there's just one rope pulling it, it's lesser force. If there are 2-3 ropes pulling it, then it's more force. So if there are more magnetic lines in an area, then there is more force, and there's lesser magnetic lines, then there's lesser force. So that is about field and magnetic lines. In the next flip, we'll talk about how charges create magnetic field around them.